Afternoon. My name is Mandla Shabalala. I'm the Deputy Chief Education Specialist, Teacher Development Head Office, but I'm the member of the Training and Support Work Stream on the online admission, which is led by the Director MS, Mr. Bongose. And my role is to lead the training and training section where it comprises of ITOs from MEs, ITOs from IT Directorate, and we've also roped in ITOs from teacher development. So what basically will be happening in terms of ensuring that parents or communities at ground level are supported with the online application for the two schools, that is Maritime School of Excellence and Mbuso School of Engineering. So the plan for us is to ensure that we capacitate all the ITOs for MEs and teacher development within the district so that we can extend our base in terms of ensuring that parents, even as far as Nongoma, as far as Mzinyati, can be in a position to be assisted. They know that they can touch base with who, especially will be targeting utilizing the education centers where they can go there and be supported in terms of application on the online admission so that they don't need maybe to drive straight to Maritzburg or call the call center because we're trying to bring support closer to their bases, which will basically assist them in ensuring that they apply for their learners and then whatever queries they might be having, the team will be in good hands to assist them. So our plan as we have finished today training the call center staff is to move on and ensure that we have a session with the ITOs where we'll be bringing them on board. We extended our base from the ITOs and MEs and teacher development, but we have also included ICT coordinators within the district so that we've got a bigger support in terms of assisting our communities on the online admission. I think that will basically ensure that everyone in every corner is reached where there is support needed on the online admission. Thank you.